Welcome to M365 Professional Videos. If you're into searching for business idea and use Microsoft 365 productivity app, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're exploring Excel for the web, the evolution of a modern web app. Let's get started. Excel for the web exemplifies the evolution of one of Microsoft's most successful web products. What began as an app used for consumption with files open in view by default has become a full-feature modern spreadsheeting experience. Millions of users rely on the power of Excel in their work. Excel for the web brings this power to the browser. With Excel for the web, you can access your spreadsheets on any device from anywhere and collaborate with your colleagues. We've made major investments in Excel for the web, focusing on performance, reliability, authoring, and collaboration. We are now supporting faster workbook loading, smoother and faster scrolling and cell selection. Now you can work with larger, more complex workbooks that support faster calculations. Files are now open for edit by default. So now you can get your work done with familiar Excel features such as writing formulas more easily with colored cell references, formatting data with cells and table styles, highlighting data with conditional formatting, and applying data validation to cells. Choose between either the classic ribbon or a modern simplified ribbon with all the functionality. Get insights with by and data analysis features. For example, analyze your data with the new and improved pivot table experience. Co-authoring lets you work simultaneously with your colleagues on the same cloud workbook so you can see their changes update in real time. Use show changes to see any edits made to your spreadsheet. Leave comments and net mentions. As we continue to improve Excel for the web, you'll see the newest and most innovative features on the web. First, try Excel for the web to explore all these features and more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below with your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.